Instagram has introduced a new feature that allows you to create a collage of your favorite moments from 2024 and share it on your story. Here's how you can make your 2024 collage. Open the Instagram app and swipe right to create your story. Next, swipe up, and at the top of the screen, you'll see the 2024 Collage button. Select your favorite photos from your 2024 gallery. Tap the Next button, and your photos will appear on your story. You can now click on the photos to change their shape, reposition them, or resize them as needed. I will move this text. You can change it if you'd like by clicking on it. Once you've finished editing your story, add music of your choice and share it with your followers. Here's how my 2024 collage looks. What do you think? If you enjoyed this video, don't miss the chance to share your favorite moments from 2024. Finally, don't forget to like the video and follow the channel for more.